All right, folks. Remington, F Remington, start letter A. Good breath, right? Every 4 measures. 1, 2, ready? Chop builders, please. All right, everybody, let's get up our chop builders. Choose your option. I'm going to be playing 3A right now. Okay, ready? 1, 2, chop builders. 1, 2, ready? Welcome to Rhythm. This is chart 12, line 5. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to get it up. If not, then let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go through one thing really quick first. Just a reminder of how these 8th note, 2 16th rhythms work. We have 4 16th notes here. I broke it down, right? So 4 16th notes. We have 2 8th note, or 1 8th note at the beginning, right? 2 16ths fit into 1 8th note, so we're going to combine these 2 16th notes. So we have 1 E and a, right? 1 and a, okay? So we have, it's like we take these 2 16th notes at the beginning and tie them together, all right? So the way we write that in would be 1, little e, big and, big a. And I'm going to write that down here as the actual rhythm. 1, E is inside the 8th note, and I hope that makes sense. If not, reverse the video, go back and watch it again. All right, let's write in the counts. To chart 12, line 5, if you'll notice, measure 1 and 2 repeat. Measure 3 and 4 repeat as well. All right, so we got a big 1, big and, big 2, big and a, big 3, big and a, big 4. Pause the video, take a second, write that in if you have to. And then the next line, or next two measures, measures 3 and 4, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Alright, pause the video and write that in if you need to. Okay, I'll get out of the way so you can pause and look at it. Alright, now let's count. Just measures 1 and 2. Just measures 1 and 2. Ready? Count. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Sizzle. 1, 2, sizzle, go. Something that helps those 16th notes come out quickly is having fast air behind the note. Okay, that'll help your tongue go faster. Lots of air. Okay, next two measures, measures 3 and 4. Let's count. Ready? 1 and 2, measure 3 and 4, count, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again. 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and great. Now I'd like you to sizzle it. Ready? 1, 2, sizzle, go. If you needed to sizzle it again, back up the video and sizzle again. If not, let's play. Ready? Measures 3 and 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, back up the video if you need help on that and do it again. If not, let's count the whole line, sizzle the whole line, play the whole line. Ready? 1 and 2 and count, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and if you need to count that again, pause the video, go back and count it again. If not, let's sizzle. Whole line. 1, 2, sizzle, go. Alright, and let's all play the whole line. Ready? Play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, if you need help with that, please go back in the video and do that again. Go at your own pace. If not, great job. On to the next thing.
Hello there, we're here with another scale. Today we're going to be doing the concert E-flat scale. Before we play, I have a little bit of information for each instrument before we move forward. So for our concert E-flat scale, let's first talk about what club we're in. Alright, so you got the flute, the bells, percussion people, trombone, baritone, oboe, bassoon, tuba. You're going to be in the 3-flat club. And remember your fancy keyword, Beadgesif. This message brought to you by Beadgesif, right? So you're going to have the first 3 of those, B, E, and A. Now, if you're a clarinet, a tenor sax, or a trumpet player, you're going to be in the 1-flat club, which is just the first letter of Beadgesif, B. Make sure those B flats are first valve. Make sure you're using the 4th finger down here in clarinet land, and then we'll be all good. The French horns, as you're beginning this, you're going to be in the 2-flat club, B and E. So that's going to be a B flat below the staff is first valve, and the first line E is second valve. For our saxophones in the house, you are going to be in your C major, which means you C, no sharps and flats, meaning you need that F natural in the mix. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Brass players are going to have a little bit of a problem with range on this one. There's potential for that, so make sure as you go higher in notes that you're taking that tongue, you're raising it up to speed up the air. Make sure you keep a nice and firm embouchure so that keeps going. Alright, let's play our first thing. Let's do the scale only. And I'm going to have you do this 3 times. First time you're going to letter name it, second time you're going to sizzle it, and the third time you're going to play it. Here we go. I'll play with you. 1, 2, letter name. Alright, now you're going to rewind back 2 more times, and you're going to play that with a sizzle, and you're going to play the video again, and you're finally going to play along with the recording. Next, you have the arpeggio. Let's go ahead and letter name, sizzle, and do that. One moment. Here we go. 2, ready, letter name, go. Alright, so now we've done the arpeggio. You can go back and sizzle it. You can go back and play it. Remember, 3 times each at least. If you need more practice, that's okay. Break it down. You can also use the little scroll on the little cog on the YouTube setting to make this slower so that you can practice at a slower speed. Okay, finally we're going to go ahead and go through the thirds. And then we'll have some special interests at the end. So thirds, here we go. I want you to letter name, sizzle, and play. 2, 3. And that'll work just nicely. Go back and work on each one of those as we do it. Now, some special interests. Clarinets. You're going to find that you have a 2nd octave option, flutes have 2 octave options, and saxophones have 2 octave options. For our clarinet friends, the one I just played was our lowest one, where you start with the low F below the staff, which is all 6 plus bip. Now, you need to begin working on the 2nd octave, so I'm going to walk through the fingerings. You have F, G, which is 4, 5, 6, A, which is the A key in 4, 5, 6, and then your B flat, which is the A key and the register key in 4, 5, 6. Now you have C, which is thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and bip, the same as your low F, except we put the register. Now here it becomes very easy. You simply lift up the pinky to go to D, lift up that finger to go to E, and to play an F natural at the top, you lift up this finger, and it's just thumb register 1, 2, 3, 4 for F. So all together it sounds like this. Good. Now, flutes. Some special information for you. When you're playing that 2nd octave of your E-flat scale, there are only 2 notes that are different, the top 2. All the other notes are pretty much exactly the same, except we're just going to change the airstream. When you get up to high D, that's the 2nd to highest note, your fingering is thumb, 2, 3, pinky. That's it. And when you're playing the high E flat, which is the 3rd ledger line, the very high note on the high scale, That's going to be every key you own. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, pinky, 4, 5, 6, pinky. So I'm talking all fingers, your thumb, and both pinkies. For our saxophone friends, the only thing that's different, when you play the low one, you play the low C, which is all 6 fingers plus the bottom right paddle. The only difference now, if you're playing the upper one, is that the first C is your middle finger, and the last C is the middle finger, but with the octave key. It's pretty simple. So, if you're not one of these instruments, of course, you didn't need to watch all this, but I didn't say that. So if you were listening, thanks. You're a true star. So please, I hope you enjoyed the E-flat scales. Please practice this many, many times, because you never want to practice till you get it right. You want to practice till you can't get it right. Thanks.
Nature.
Go ahead. Now. N-A-T-U-R-E. That is what nature means to me. Yay! Nature! Yay! Yay! Howdy do, neighbor. What can I do you for?
Oh, I just need a ride. I'm a wandering soul.
Wandering soul, get right on in.
Oh, well, thank you, sir.
Hey, get right on in. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
all right.
Guys!
Oh, no! Well, guess I'll die here.
All right, 7th grade. This is number 17, the report card blues, which you just got your report cards. So this is very fitting for the timing, or you'll get them soon anyway. So you can play this when you pull out your report card and you have a B instead of an A or whatever. All right, anyway, let's get started. So we have lots of stuff going on in this one. First of all, we are in concert E-flat major. The way you know that is if you look at your key signature for flutes and oboes, we got a B-flat, an E-flat, and an A-flat. 3 flats. For low brass, you also have a B-flat, an E-flat, and an A-flat. For trumpet, clarinet, and tenor sax, you see just one. We've got a B-flat there. For horns, we see 2 flats, right? So we have B-flat and E-flat. For alto saxes, we see no flats, no sharps, right? So F natural in there, okay? Take a second, review those notes. Find your A flats in there, find your A flats in there, flutes and oboes and low brass. Find your B flats in that trumpet, clarinet, tenor sax. Find your E flats and B flats, horns, and find your F naturals, alto saxes. All right. Now we got forte, very loud at the beginning. Moderato, so moderate speed. Here, maybe a little faster. Bum, 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 bum. Notice all of the accents, right? So it's very important to it and toe it, okay? So, beginning. That's what it sounds like. Let's all count the first 2 measures. Ready? 1, 2, count, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and again. 2, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and. Great. Now I want you to note name it. 1, 2, note name, go. Again. 2, ready, go. Okay, now I want you to it. Okay, so it's the way it's going to sound. On accents, we say toe. On staccatos, we say toot. And on the non-accented or staccato notes, we just say two, right? Nice and long, regular. So we say toe, 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 toe. Say that. 2, ready, go. 2, 2, toe, 2, 2, toe, 2, 2, 2, toe. Again. 2, ready, go. 2, 2, toe, 2, 2, toe, 2, 2, 2, toe. Great. Now, can you sizzle it? 1, 2, ready, go. Again. 2, ready, go. All right. Great job. Play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Remember, we don't want those accents to be gross. Okay, just nice and loud. Again, 2, ready, go. Great. Now look at measure 3 and 4. Are they the same or different? Correct, they're the same. Good job. Okay, measure 3 and 4. Let's play measure 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ready? 1, 2, let's play. Go. Alright, if you need to go back in the video and play that again, go back in the video. If not, let's look at the next 2 measures. We got B flats, right? We got E flats, we got A flats for some of you. We got F natural for sax, right? So pay attention to your key signature. Okay, that measure. Accents the same, counting the same, notes different, okay? Note name. Measure 5 and 6. 1, 2, note name, go. Again, 2, ready, go. All right. Let's play it. Ready? 5 and 6. Play. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time. 2, ready, go. Great. Now, go back. Well, actually, look at measure 7 and 8. Measure 7 and 8 are the same as what? Yes. Measures 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Let's play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Good job. If you need to pause that, go back and play it again, do so. Now measure 9 and 10. We throw a little wrench in there. It's a little different. Really quick, can you look at measure 11 and 12? That's the last 2 measures. They are the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7, 8, right? Good job. Okay, let's just learn measure 9 and 10. 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's count 9 and 10. 1, 2, count 9 and 10. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and. Again, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and. 1, and 2, and. Great. Let's all, note name. 1, 2, note name, go. Okay, pause, go back if you have to. To it, 2, 2, 2, 2, toe, 2, 2, 2, toe, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, toe, 2, 2, 2, toe, great. Play it. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time, ready, go. And last 2 measures. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, hold thing. From the beginning, report card blues. Everybody is sad that they get the report cards, and it says that you're a pleasure to have in class, and you're all great kids, and we miss all of you. All right, ready? Beginning. And 1, 2, ready, go. All right, great job. Go ahead and go back and play that if you want. Play it on your own, play it faster, whatever you want to do, okay? Good job.